Oh, it is working. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? Uh-oh. Hold on. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. 65. Oh, all right. So I'm flat. I literally I got on the charts at the right time, but I kind of been trying to fill out the volatility to see what it was going to be like today. So I did decrease. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen. That was actually a setup right there. I didn't expect that delta to be that high. Um, Very interesting. 60. Huh. Um, I did decrease my wrinkle size to 32. Because clearly the volatility it's not as high anymore. Um, so that's what I was in the process of doing before I got onto the stream. And so because of that, I didn't switch it until like 8:41. So just a few minutes ago. And then after that, I have to kind of wait for a few swings for my zigzag to kind of attach to the right bars again and then go from there. I literally just missed this setup right here because I needed the delta to be more than 65 and I didn't expect it to be, and it was 116. Very interesting. So yeah. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? A lot of consolidation this week in gold and crude oil as well. Yeah, it's very it actually was moving pretty decent this morning. If I was on um the 32 tick chart to start off with, I would have definitely had trades by now. But on the 40 tick chart, there was like basically two swings, and that was that. So when I looked at the minute chart, um I noticed that there was one. Basically, from like the high to low of one of the candles was only about 43 points. And I say only because it's an only moment, the way that the market's been. So once I seen that, I'm like, I think it's time for me to decrease my Renko setting, because on a 40 tick chart, from lower high to close to my take profit is like 30 points. So if the high and low of like an 836 candle is 43 points, then I'm not going to get a trade really on that 40 tick chart. So that's why I went ahead and I reduced it, and hopefully we can get a trade in now. I don't know what that's from. But yeah. Janelle, did you trade Asian session or London? Trenches, are you in any trades yet? I hate when we kind of like spend the first part of the session pushing new highs or lows. Not my fave. Let me put I had to change something else. I think it was like right here. Put it right there. Just putting this line on my chart so I can remember kind of like where I changed the wrinkles basically. No trade so far. I don't really like how much volume is in this reversal bar here, down from the high. So unless we overtake that volume, I'm not looking for a buy right now. And then we have equal volume in these swings too. So I was trying to play around with, I think I just have to completely change the layout a little bit. So I don't have to keep making sure that this is all fitting in the screen. I was playing around with it yesterday, but I couldn't get it the way I wanted it to, so I'll do it again today. Honestly, as slow as it is today, I could probably go down to a 16 for real. Probably a 20. I'm kind of hoping that I can like settle with the 20 tick chart. I love the 16 tick chart, but with the 20 tick chart, not that I care much about ever being a My Funded Futures customer, but if I ever wanted to, I have to go up to a 20 tick chart. So if I can get it to work on a 20 tick chart, I wouldn't mind doing that just to do it. I would keep the 2 tick threshold. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I noticed on the 2 tick threshold that the zigzag doesn't attach to like outside bars a lot. Like it wouldn't attach to this bar and then continue on. So we'll see. Nothing yet. He was on early today, so these people get Apple checks. No. I did say yesterday that I was probably going to be on early. I don't know if I can ever start before market open because I'm always rushing. Maybe when I get my sleep schedule together, I will. But I did say I was going to probably be on early today. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. No, actually, you cannot call me. Because what do you want? Oh my goodness. Man, I really feel like I can drop down now to a 20 tick chart, but I think I'm gonna stay on this 32 just in case volatility decides to increase, but the ATR is like 25, which is back to normal numbers. Give or take. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Not the answer is always no. All right, so this is what we're, oh wait, I cannot do that. Ah, hold please. All right, let's see. We're gonna do. Damn, how can I do this? All right, let's rename this. Things might get a little ghetto for just a second. Can I duplicate this? I can. Oh, do this. Oh my god, my granny must be really tired. She is snoring her ass off. Hold on, I have to create a whole nother. This is so silly. Uh-oh, wrong way. No, that's not gonna work actually. Damn it. Oh, it probably would. I have to switch something though. Alright, I'll do it later. Oh Lord, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, I'm muted. Okay. Is that better? Was I muted this whole time? Oh no, I think it was when I was clicking at trying to undo everything that I did. I think I undid my unmute. All right, so I am looking for a sell, possibly. So we started with a double bottom, so I can't look at that. All right, let me go back to the order flow chart. I have to hope that my chart trader saved 31 ticks. That is not correct, actually. Damn it. All right, I'll try to. Hello? Oh, you're not gonna do this to me. No. Fuck. All right, y'all. Hold on. My stupid ass chart just. Oh my god. NinjaTrader can be such a pain in the ass sometimes. And I bet you there was my setup too. Oh my goodness. You just now got the notification. Oh gosh. Well, it probably doesn't help that I have been creating the live so late, like a few minutes before I actually go live, so that doesn't help at all. All right, I gotta redo all of this. There's some shit. Now, oh, all right, I might as well fix this. Forgot it's a 34 tick take profit. have to reload anyway. That just fucking pissed me off. I don't know why it freezes like that from time to time. All right, I think this is not correct. All right, so one more swing and then I think I can trade again. Did this do this right? No, it didn't. All right, let's try again. I don't know what the delta of, oh, my entry chart's still not here. There we go. I don't know what the delta of this reversal bar is, but there's a very high chance that that was my setup. The volume was what I wanted it to be at least. Stupid chart wanted to freeze. Man, the 16 tick chart would have probably been so perfect for today. I don't really like how we detached several times in here. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of that. See, 205. I'll see you, Janelle. Have a good rest of your day. I think tomorrow I'm going to start with a 32 and see if I can work my way down from there. But at the same time, I kind of feel like the volatility, I mean, it's slow anyway, but starting off pushing new highs didn't really help probably either. Where's the first resistance? Oh, 2650. Okay. Damn, I hate when we detach like that because I don't think I'm going to base it off of this. It's a pretty heavy reversal bar. I don't like how heavy the down reversal bars are right now. I can't really get into buys because of them. But I'm keeping myself out of losses. That would have been a loss right there. Zigzag has an immediate change. Alright, I can look for... This market is so uneventful today. Now this is the market I hate. I'm still kind of mad that that stupid chart froze. Right. What is going on? All right, let's see. Let's see what we can get here. Oh, I did not expect that. 87. That's what I'm looking for. Don't stop. I would rather you just push down now. Such a slow, ugly grind. I was gonna end up trying to break even at the session high anyway, but volume in that swing to look for a sell. This is so choppy and ugly. What is the... It's like just a slow, ugly grind. Why are my charts freezing today? Bro, this is gonna irritate my fucking soul. What the hell? My charts freeze one more time, I'm probably gonna get off because y'all know how I am about tech issues. I can't see my order flow chart right now. And NinjaTrader has been freezing a lot lately. It's gonna stress me out. Glad you didn't go short. It's gonna be my last time logging in today. At least my charts are loading pretty fast now that I don't have that other chart open. Yeah, something is like causing errors in this pitch. Actually, I really think it's that damn, it's that news indicator. It's always giving errors, and I think that was the problem with the loading on whenever I had the other chart open. I might have to go back to the old news indicator. And in the meantime, I'm about to drop to a 24 tick chart. Because this shit's moving too slow. And it's not gonna piss me off. Oh, damn, I don't have one for a 24. Damn it. Hold on. Um, 48, 20, 22. Hold on, I'm creating my ATM right now. It irritate me. That might be a little too fast. But we're gonna do it because I'm bored now. All right, change that to 24. Hopefully I don't regret this. Wait, 24 is 26, so 25. All right, now I could put my charts back up for y'all. P&L. Entry chart. Okay, now let's try it. So I've dropped from a 40 to a 32 to a 24, all in the same session. So I'll probably just start at a 24 tomorrow, 24 or 28, one of the two. But that was just, that's watching paint dry. And I can't do it. Can't even see, all right, whatever. And let's change some. Oh, shit. Why, as soon as I switch, now we want to actually start doing something? Market, you are fucking annoying. This candle is, that 1 minute candle was 65 points. Like, why now? Why now? He's trying to suck you into a short. Some little economic news coming out about China. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn financial juice on. I mean, it literally was just sitting there doing nothing all the morning. This is so annoying. Probably a million. I'm just annoyed because I just switched my freaking Rinko setting. Oh, it's too far. I missed that one. Yeah, that's why I'm annoyed. I missed the freaking. I just changed the Rinko setting because it was boring as fuck, and now it's probably gonna be moving too fast because of this. Hmm. I'm ready to go back to bed. But you would have been stopped out anyway. It's like now I don't want to be on this small of a Rinko chart. I could have stayed in the bed for this. Yeah, now the shit's gonna move too fast. And get on my nerves in the process. I'm gonna keep missing the fucking moves because of this. Ah, that's gonna lose. That actually was my TP right there. Alright, I have to, wait, 24, 26. I gotta, hold on. This is the other problem about switching Rinko sizes. Oh, well, yeah. Alright, so basically, I need 13 bars to take profit. Alright, well, that was my fault. I've been used to 20 and 22 bars that need to go. Well, that was a win if I would have gotten in on time. Well, I just lost half of my profit that I made last week. Both reports dropped together. I'm so annoyed. Alright, so 20. So now the trades are like $135. Alright. So I just gotta make sure when I see the number 11 or 12 that I'm just too late. I can't get in then. What the hell? Man, I'm so irritated. I'm trying to figure out what a happy medium is gonna end up being to maybe the 28 will be better. 2150. Trying to figure out what's going to be a happy medium for when the market was how it was when it first started today and when we just had this spike of volatility. Because, I mean, at this point, you almost have to prepare for the spike in volatility at any point with this man in office. So, But I can't sit here and watch paint dry all morning, hoping or waiting for some volatility that's not gonna come. I don't know. I just don't know. Hopefully I can get like one win in to cut some of the loss out. But I will also be okay with a red day. It is what it is. Um, oh, what did Trader Day do? Did it fuck up with that huge spike in volatility that just happened? If it makes you feel better, I had to restart my NinjaTrader twice today from freezing before the volatility even happened. Okay, do we head back down? Applejacks, I'll be in there today. Stop playing with me. Nah, I'll be in there today. To be fair, I warned you. I did warn you. 13. I don't like any of this. Like none of it. I just don't like any of it. And I'm over it. I'm really irritated. Severely. This makes me want to just not trade for the next 4 years. Need a little bit more volume in this swing. Okay, or just do that. That works too. I knew I should have went back to sleep when I saw that we were pushing new highs at the beginning of the session. It's always a crappy session for me when it's like that. Always, every single time. It just always is. Volume is very heavy on the downside on these bearish reversal bars. What is it doing? I just want to find the Renko setting that's gonna work. I'm not even worried about the strategy part. It's the Renko settings that's irritating me the most. Because you gotta prepare for random spikes in volatility. But you don't want to watch paint dry all day trying to wait for the random spikes in volatility. So what do you do? That's gonna lose. I already knew it was gonna lose. And do I care? I don't. I do not. Stop me out to go exactly where I wanted to go. Now, granted, I was rotating over the overnight high, but right now that actually doesn't matter for me, so whatever. Whatever. What am I down? $500? Well, I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, no, 1, 2, 3. We have like 7 more trading days before this thing renews again, so if we lose it, we lose it. Like, what the hell? You're 2 seconds from getting a TradeStation account. Press buy and it didn't show if I was in the trade. Close and open the app again. Oh, yeah, I forgot Friday was a holiday too. That's why I had to recount the number of days I have. So you actually use TradingView to execute your trades as well? Oh, I really could have stayed in bed for this shit. Oh, it's too much volume in that swing up, and it's still one. What the fuck? Oh, I wouldn't have gotten filled anyway. This shit is irritating. Like, ugh. Super fucking irritating. So I'm tripping. I can't see a chart on TradeVate mobile. You should be able to. Let me see. I don't even know if I got the mobile app downloaded. Probably don't. Let me download it and see if I can see anything. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Today. Too fucking day. I can see a chart. I can see a chart. Y'all can't see a chart like this? Or is it because I'm... uh... Oh yeah, I can see one. No. How did I get there? Okay, hold on. Oh, damn, I missed that trade. Who fucking cares at this point? Hold on, I'm disconnecting so I can reconnect. Not what the hell let me get my password so I can make sure I can still do it when I do that. No, 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 no. Wrong password. Oh, it didn't do it anyway. I got you. I got you. No. All right, simulated trading. Yeah, I'm logged into my Apex accounts and I can see. All right, so as far as the way I got here. All right, let me first log out so that I don't accidentally click some damn buttons. Okay, so this is what I did. Ah, shit. All right, I'll show ya. Okay, so next to whichever instrument, I click the arrow. But it didn't show up like that at first. I had to... I forgot what showed up when I first clicked it. But when you click the arrow, then just choose the chart and then there is an expand button right there. And then you'll get that. And it looks like you can put whatever indicators and everything too. You're welcome. Hey, I might take another. I'm gonna push this to 10 o'clock just because I'm so irritated. I probably am going to really regret it if I lose a trade, but at this point I don't really give a damn. Tell me if that works. And then, oh yeah, because then when you're logged in, the trade button should be right underneath it. Did it work? When you do that, a chart doesn't show up? Okay, well first, do you need to update the app? Because I literally just downloaded this for the first time. So that could be it. First, see if you gotta update the app. I'm going to regret this. I know I am. 33. But in this moment, I don't care. As long as the delta doesn't get too heavy. Oh, we just switched again. What the fuck? This market hates me. So mine is like E-Trade. It must be some... Okay, maybe I won't trade anymore. What the fuck, bro? I'm over it. I'm over it. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Let me wait. 1 hour is the lowest time frame. I see a 1 minute. Let me log in again. Hold please. Okay, why is it not taking my password though? Oh, you know what? Let's log into, because I don't want to accidentally take a trade on this. I'll just log into my TPT account. I don't have an Android. I have a fucking Apple, lady. All right, let me log into the TPT account. That way if I accidentally take a trade, I don't really give a damn. It's a long ass password. All right. So, yeah, same thing. So when I first log in, it gives me the same thing. So under the indexes, I click the arrow. It looks like that. Then I click the expand button right there. And this is what it looks like. And you can see I'm in my account because it shows my red from today and everything. Not some influencer shit. I'm fucking weak. Yours is Top Step accounts? Oh, I don't have Top Step. But still, it should work the same, right? Yeah, and I can even change from candles. That's what I had to do to change from the candles to the OHLC or whatever. Because it started off on OHLC and I had to click candles. Now, it does not have a 1 minute chart, it looks like. The fuck? Oh, I thought it opened up a trade. This is the only problem I see though, is that these are the only time frames once you actually log in, because when you don't log in, there is a 1 minute chart. Actually, wait, I'm on a 1 minute chart right now. Maybe it's not showing 1 minute because I'm already on a 1 minute chart. You could see. Come on, focus. Anyway, I'm on a 1 minute chart. The small chart is all I see. When I expand, it shows the depth. Yeah, that's weird because I can even see like the volume profile chart. When I click expand, it goes to the trade screen. Okay, so is it putting you on this screen, Trenches? Not influence. I don't even use Trade of 8. All right, now I have to figure out how to get back. Now we have all the perks. Okay, so if it's the only way to get back to the charts, it looks like after you are here. Can I turn my, hold on, I'm gonna try to turn my brightness down. Hopefully this doesn't give me a headache. So I have to turn my eye saver mode off to do this. All right. It's a lot easier when it's not as much. All right. So you see the depth. One of y'all post in the Discord the screen that y'all see so I could see what y'all see and figure out how to get where I am. Cause mine just showed that when I got into the app. I'm trying to think. No, I have Rhythmic account, so I wouldn't be able to. I was gonna try to log into my Take Profit. I mean not Take Profit. Top Step accounts, but I had Rhythmic when I was with them. But it should all be the same though. Oh, no, no, no. I know what y'all are seeing, I think. Oh, you little heifer. Okay, I think I know what y'all are seeing because I saw the same thing when I first went into it. Um, try to do this to the chart. Like, do that and see if that helps. Because I saw the depth only when I first got into the chart and then I just like zoomed out. See if that works. AJ, you are not finna get on me today, okay? You're not. Not today. Not today. All right, let me see. Yes, zoom out of the chart. And then you should be able to see. I see that profit, girl. Let me have some of that. Bruh. Okay, let me see. That's so weird. Cause I'm telling you, I saw the same exact. Okay, wait. Let me exit out and come back in again. Because you can't zoom anything. All right, let me try to recreate. Listen, you the one forgot to crop. um, let's see. Okay, wait. I gotta turn the ding dongs off because when I'm not trading, it really pisses me off actually. All right, let's go back in. I don't like how this just automatically just changes the damn time frame. Because who the hell told you to do that? Yeah, when I first came in, hold on, I'm such a slow person. Let me open up Discord on my computer. Didn't even see it. Don't tell Janelle she's supposed to be on. Alright, hold on. Let me go back in the Discord on my computer. Alright, So you see reports, trades, orders, balance. That's exactly what I see. Yeah, your screen literally looks exactly like mine, but I just see a chart. And you don't have the oh my God, did I just put an order in? Child, wait a minute. Hold on. Okay. Um, oh, yes, I can turn those buttons off so I don't actually accidentally click anything. Trade, balance sheet, markets. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, so I do see the depth there. And if I expand, no, because when I expand, I still see a chart. Okay, so when you're on this page where you see the markets, right? Do you have the ability to scroll over to the time-based chart over there? Or no? Because I'm trying to figure out. Like, you don't have the visualization part on there that I see. Show, join, bid, offer. Maybe it's top steps, but I don't see how and why, because people use TradeAvate Mobile for all of the different and when you logged in, you went to the demo side, right? The smallest you see is 1 hour. That is so awkward. Oh, okay, wait, because that's the smallest that I see as well right now. So when you click but that's so weird because, okay, so when you click the 1 hour, do you see a chart like that? This is so weird. So, so I see the good morning, True. You're late. We on our way out. I'm trying to help them. Okay, so, oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. Market screen, roll forward, roll backward, show orders, remove. Okay, so I got the 1 hour. I click this, and this is what I see. And I'm Cause okay, when I first, I'll show you. When I first got in here, this is kind of what mine looked like. when I first got in there. And literally all I did was this. I did this and then I scrolled. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah. So I did that and then I did this. Like you have to move it over. Now you good. So after you zoom like that to pinch it, then you have to move it. Did it show up now after you moved it? Perfect. See, that's what I'm here for. Hopefully Mr. What the hell he saw that. I don't know. Because they don't need, first of all, why would you start off with such an extra ass zoom for what? I don't understand. But it does look like the lowest chart you can get is a 15-minute. That's kind of ass. But I guess if you, what is, how do they determine which one you're using if you use auto? That's so dumb. I don't understand. Oh, maybe it's based on how you zoom? Ah, okay. So auto is based on how far you zoom, it looks like. Because when I zoom out, it changes to a 60. And when I zoom in, it changes to a smaller chart. No problem. All right, let me show y'all the accounts real quick. I can't even say I'm disappointed in today because first of all, let's back it up. The first trade I don't feel bad about at all. It followed my rules. It just lost. It kind of is what it is. The second trade sucked because with me changing the Rico size, I forgot that I can only, a TP is like 13 bars. So when I saw 15 on the screen, I should have never gotten into the trade, but I've been on the 40 tick chart for the last week and some change. So I'm used to on the 40 tick chart, there needing to be 21 tick or 21 bars in a swing in order for me to be late into the trade. So that's kind of my fault there. And then I think I lost another trade, I guess somewhere. I don't know. But either way, I'm not even really that bothered. I think I'm most bothered by the random volatility that just kind of screwed me a little bit. So I was 0-3 today. I'm not even tripping. So I'm gonna try to cut through some more of last week's data to see what I can get out. But I think I am going to switch to a 28 for tomorrow, and hopefully that's the happy medium between a 16 and a 40. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. And I kind of am at the point where I just don't really give a shit. I just feel like this market is just being difficult for no fucking reason. But I have to go to a smaller Renko chart because I need to have the ability to have in a session to where even if I'm following my rules and I'm getting losses, I at least have enough trades to cover the losses by having some extra wins in there. And today was just not the day, having to switch Renko settings multiple times, having to restart Ninja multiple times. It was just a shit show today. So it kind of is what it is. Trench, oh, probably because of the, but I think if you, trenches, I think if you stay in the same zoom, it shouldn't do that. If that statement was free. Oh, she was talking to me, true. But yeah, it looks like if you stay on the same zoom, it shouldn't change. Oh my God, I'm putting in an order? Uh-uh. Oh, that's what that does. Oh shit, take that order off. I did just see the order pop up on my NinjaTrader. Yeah, I think if you don't use the one of the ones that's already on there, first of all, Tradeovate, okay, with NinjaTrader purchasing Tradeovate, they need to do a better job with this app because there's no way that you have 5 set time frames and anything from there is auto. That's crazy as hell. But if you like analyze on the 5 and go back and forth from the 5 to the 15, you probably wouldn't have too much of a problem. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuck out of this app before I accidentally put another order in. Let me log out. He said, fuck it. I feel it. I understand. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, go take me a nap, and try to cut through some more of this data. And hopefully tomorrow I have a better day because we only got, what, 2 more days of this week. And I would like to get back to green because I did not lose a trade last week. Okay, I was patient and what I wanted showed up and I got it. So we'll see. But thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at who knows what time. Maybe 8:45, maybe 9. I don't know. Just be there, be square. Bye.